This is a beautiful nature. Lufasi Nature Park, based 50 minutes from Lekki. Lekki is based in Lagos. Lagos is based in Nigeria. Nigeria is based in West Africa. Beautiful place. Ultimate. It's me, Prakash Panjwani from Gandhidham, Gujarat, India. And he's my best friend,
Hi.
Mr. Vijay Agarwal from Rajasthan. We are at Lagos, Nigeria, West Africa. And as I said, we are at Lufasi Nature Park, based in 50 minutes drive from Lekki, based in Lagos. It's a well original nature.
Come.
Mr. Vijay wants to show us something.
We'll go that
That's
way
my
also.
beautiful
Let's
daughter
first complete
Simran
this way.
and my beautiful wife Preeti.
There's a lot of adventurous places.
Did you guys drink water? है ना
It's sweet. We all enjoy and it's COVID free.
Enjoy!